So I woke up about half an hour ago, still sleepy, but I decided to at least update my documents, keep my documents ready so that there's no issue with anything at the airport. Because now with this COVID and all that thing going on, I just decided that just spend some time more and get my files updated, so get everything in order. That's what I'm doing now. Like I'll be going from here to Istanbul airport, then from Istanbul I'm going to London, from there I'll be going to Delhi. So according to that, I'm just setting the paper, whatever we have to declare, whatever about the health declaration and all that. So I'll be doing that only now, and then after that I'll just pack my luggage accordingly, like just shift something that I need, I'll keep it in my handbag, and which I don't need, I'll just pack it away, and boom, I'll see that in Bombay then. Okay, so this is it. Getting something. No, that's it. Thank you so much. So the driver is waiting down, and we are heading for the car. The flight is about 4 o'clock in the morning, as I said, and the only thing I have doubt about is the wait. So we'll go there and find out what it is. Chief, are you ready to go?
We also.
So yeah, we were not allowed to film outside, like while I just got out of the car. Now that we have completed all the customs and all, I'm inside, and I was doubtful about the luggage, and that's what happened. So a lot of talking, I somehow managed to get that in, and I have this backpack. But in the further flights, I don't know what this could be. Like it could be a big issue for me. So for now it's cleared. Somehow I have put those two bags, I checked that in, and I've got this backpack and a small bag in the hand. So we will just see how it works now. I'm sure when I go to India and switch to the domestic flight, it's going to give me a lot of issues. Until then, let's see. So on my way to board the first flight, I am super excited for this, but sleepy at the same time. are you feeling finally sitting in the flight?
Finally sit in the flight.
Now do you believe are you going to sign off?
No, he still doesn't believe it.
So here we are finally in the flight, and I somehow managed to get the extra luggage in. But I don't know about the other flights. More 3 flights to go, 1 down. That was it, first flight done. 3 more flights to go, and over here Chief will go his own way. At least we'll collect the luggage together, yeah?
No, my luggage going to Moscow.
Directly?
Directly to Moscow. We took a week, it cannot go to Kaliningrad. But no Moscow.
Yes. Chief is going from here. Thank you so much, Chief.
Yeah, you're welcome. See you again.
See you again. Okay, so now that Chief is gone, he'll be taking his flight to Moscow. And what I had to do is I had to check in again, because this first flight was Turkish Airlines, and now from here it will be a British Airways to London and from there to Delhi. But luckily they have taken my backpack, and what I'm left with is only my handbag over here. So that is one good thing, that I have only the handbag. It feels light, but there were issues at the start, not with the luggage as I thought, but more with the paperwork. So just got that done in time, and I'm heading to the customs. By the way, let me tell you, this airport, this is one beautiful looking airport over here. Okay, so I am done with the customs, and I'll just head to do some shopping now. Okay, so now we are at London, and I finished with my customs here, and we've got to head to gate number 5. So that's a long way to go. Also, what happened in Istanbul was my card suddenly stopped working, so I couldn't do any shopping over there. Also, my phone and my cam both were almost dead, so I could not film much of the flight over there. Even now, I'll see if I get a charging point, and if I don't, then that's it. That's the end of the vlog here. What I think, it's because of COVID, we are not allowed to plug in the cables. Anyways, we let's now head to gate number 5, and let's see what happens. Okay, so I'm at the gates now and I'm quite tired, to be honest, because I've been jumping flights and I just got over that one day of hotel stay, and before that it was 10 months on the ship. So I am super tired. My excitement has fallen. What I want to do is just go home and sleep, but we still got 2 more flights, so that seems like infinity now for me. I don't know. Let's see now. Last 2 flights. I'm on board the flight to Delhi, and this is by far the best flight of the journey. We don't have the window seats, but I've got good amount of leg space, so I want to get super comfortable over here and just gonna enjoy the flight. So that's all from London, and good night. See you in India. Bye bye. Yeah, so I'm in line for the COVID test now. We are in Delhi, and this is going to take quite some time. Okay, so the COVID test is done, and this is the launch. So we are going to wait here for some time and then take the last flight to Bombay. Okay, so this is it. One last flight to go. It's already been a tough journey, because what happened was, after coming to Delhi for the COVID test, first of all there was a huge line, so I had to wait a lot in that. And secondly, what happened was my card had stopped working, and it didn't even work over here. So I was expecting it to work over here, but nah, it did not work. So I had to exchange those dollars, and then after that I had issues with the weight of the luggage. So since now that all is got sorted out, I had to pay some 12,000 for that. That all is done, and what else to say? I will never forget this journey. So now we are near the boarding gate, and one last flight to go. It's been 10 months, so I'm now super excited to get back home. That's it. Welcome home, and I've got all this luggage unpacked. So that's all for this journey. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more.